Hi viewers, welcome to Manimantan TV. Today we are with C. Hanuman sir. Today's topic is billion booms, gold traders. Sir, what is this topic regarding?
Bullion means gold and jewelry, precious metals.
Okay.
Now, since last 1 year, means this year 2025, the price of all these metals, precious metals, is increasing because of demand and new usage. And what is happening is in this trade, the importance is most importantly valuation and traders. Means they know the value where the stock is available, where the stock is to be, when to be purchased, where to be purchased. Means they know the suppliers as well as consumers, and also conversion into ornaments. This is traders. And valuation another aspect, which is quality, percentage of gold, percentage of silver in that commodity. Means what is happening is valuation is most important. Majority of the people, we don't know how much content, how much percentage of gold is there in ornament. Common man will not know that. Of course, there are digital equipments are available, but it may not be that much useful. Of course, it's to some extent only it is reliable. For especially coins, bricks, bars, it is useful. But whereas for ornaments, it's very difficult. And where it contains precious metal, diamonds and stones, it is very difficult to value. So those who are dealing in trading in ornaments, precious metals, and gold trading becoming more demand because of value of bullion increased. We have seen from last 1 year itself, the price of gold increased from 70,000, 67, 70,000 to 1,20,000, 1,35,000 also. Of course, now it is reduced to 1,20,000 per 10 grams. So this increase in value, they resulted into demand for gold traders as well as gold valuation. And also as people are going for, because it is a small quantity, we can hold it safely, high value, low quality, low quantity. So this valuation is most important. There are many, only some people who are valuers or treated as valuers, they are looking after the activity. And this demand is increasing like anything for demand for trading houses. And also hedge funds. Hedge funds means they're purchasing in advance price and selling in advance price. Just like we can say betting.
Okay.
Just like forward trading.
Right.
And banks are also increasing their activity in gold loans, or trading in granting more loans, and also increasing the quantum of loan also because of increase in value. And this people's attitude also changed from earlier they used to hold properties or deposits. Because of the change in value, increase in value, people are shifting from other assets to gold also. So this is creating a lot of demand for gold. Of course, now it is reduced. Last 10 days, 20 days like that. But earlier, the demand was increasing, expecting the further rise. And people's interest on metal in intensive bullion also increased. And that requires talent to trade and to value. This is the most important thing. And for this purpose, they are demanding heavy packages, remuneration, or percentages, or commissions like that, or valuation charges. This was considered as not attractive market. But now, because of the increase in value of bullion market, these gold traders and valuers, demand has increased because of the talent. So, also the commodity traders, means those who are dealing only in products, and also forward traders also, they are also, and those who are dealing at delivery of gold also, gold and precious metals also. There are only some companies who are dealing with commodities, the gold, bullion, gold and silver. These companies also having lot of opportunities because of increase in value. And numerous hedge funds, banks, and industrial companies also entering into market with as refineries or processing. or ornaments or conversion into other useful material. So all these are trying to all they are giving scope for employment opportunities, earning opportunities for the people who are having talent of valuation or grading.
Okay.
So this is and this happening. They are also teams also develop means concentration means teams expertise. Some people may be interested in knowing the market. Some people may be knowing the valuation. Some people may know the content. What is the content of gold and not gold? And all these things are the team also. The team spirit, that team value also improved. So to see what is happening, this bullion market became a high profile market. I mean, those who are with affordable means they are rich. Those who can invest and wait for some time, and those who can buy without borrowing. And in India is not a India is having around 25 more than 20,000 tons of gold. It means it is nearly more than $3 trillion value. So this is a high profile market, and also hundreds of billions of dollars are changing hands every week. And this is creating a lot of scope for opportunities for means loans valuation, loans trading, and security purpose also. So this when there were only some banks were concentrating on dealing with bullion, but now many banks are, even international banks also concentrating on dealing with bullion. Bullion means precious metals like gold, silver, like that. This because of now the talented people are very short, short in number, and but the demand is increasing like anything. So therefore, what is happening is portfolio managers, and now recently new opportunities came into investment in funds, equitable market for equitable funds in gold, precious metals also. Those are need not buy gold. Based on the market price, they can invest and they can sell wherever the equivalent value will be paid to them. So earlier actual purchase was there. Now actual purchase is not required. Physical possession is not required. Means what we'll call a digital format is sufficient. Means the fund will give assurance to the purchaser, investor that this much of quantity of gold with us at this price. And when you want to transfer into, when you want to sell, can give the price, difference price. Also the fund need not purchase the gold and need not hold it in stock. So this giving a lot of scope for trading in this commodity, bullion market. So it is not just banks anymore. Hedge funds are also trading and all looking after precious metals traders as portfolio managers also. So the talent war is a hot topic now of conversation at the largest annual gathering of the precious metals industry. So precious metals has been for many years seen as more in the trade. So not just trading, but client interest and participation also increasing in the bullion market. So now earlier there was only client was only purchasing and investing, waiting for some time, or using as ornament. But now it is like that moment in this bullion also change like anything. Some people are buying a small low price and selling after some time. Some people are investing in the form of funds, equity funds, tradable funds like that. They are purchasing it digitally and they can sell it anytime. And also the valuation. Some people are purchasing and keeping it in the store as a loan for further purchase also. So all this becoming a huge market scope in bullion market for traders valuation. So this is a new opportunity because of bullion booms in the present market. So earlier, the people who are dealing with ornaments manufacturing or valuation were considered as not as a good, respectable profession. But now it is considered as one of the leading respectable profession, and they are also getting paid handsome remuneration or commissions or percentages or charges. Now they are getting due respect. So there is no, we can say, every profession is respectable, provided you give the quality of service and timely service. That's the most important thing. So, what is happening is uh, which were considered as low profile jobs, low profile activities, now it become respectable, valuable activities, earning handsome of money, handsome remuneration.